Let's throw it back to the beginning where it all started. Let the audition begin. Next group!
Trying to end me, oh, we just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You spent some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all that work.
You send me if you work. You see me do me da. Saw me put in work. And then you went la. I don't care if you're not hurt.
What's one word you can describe the team and why?
Different. This is like one of the very first teams, I think, where we've like had a bunch of different cultures and races, because like usually we always like make fun of how team always used to be Asian, and then like now, I mean next year it's gonna be all Asian too, but this year is really unique, so yeah.
Unique because all of us are different, but when we're together it's just very great.
I've been watching.
Hey y'all! Come to this victim 86637. It's Thursday and Friday. Retailing dollars at Thornton! Fire from Why are you gonna miss the team?
Because we're all like connected. Somehow we're connected. Like, let's say someone's teaching, or like a guest choreographer comes and we're all just dead, or we're just done with everyone's shit. We all just make eye contact with one another and we're like, we're fucking hungry. And so we all bring food, Coral brings food, and we just eat and we just bond. That's what I'm gonna miss.
Because like third period was the only period I look forward to. Like I don't really care about the other ones, and I love all the moments that we've had together, and yeah.
I think it's just because like everybody's so different and there's so many different personalities and they all fit well, and I didn't think I would miss the team really, because I don't miss people, it's just not something I do. And then when we had the group circle with the yarn, I was crying and I didn't know why. I was crying and I was frustrated with that, but I think like I realized that the team impacted me more than I thought they did, so yeah, that's why.
But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage, but you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You
can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
What's a funny moment or memory with the team?
When we were at gag gifts and we were all in a group circle and we were just bashing on that one person and we all know who it is. That was just like a hilarious golden moment.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing
only one call away.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11, soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Once I was 7 years old.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Thinking my journey's come to an end. Sending out a farewell to my friends. 5 minutes apiece. Ask you to forgive me for my sins. Oh, would you please? I'm more than grateful for the time we spent. My spirit's at ease. I put my heart into your ears. Learn the lessons you teach. No matter when, wherever I am, you're not hard to reach. And you've given me the best gift that I've ever known. You give me purpose every day.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for us.
so you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone, and if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. We used to have it all, but now's our curtain call. So hold for the applause, oh, 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 oh. And wave out to the crowd and take our final bow. Oh, it's our time to go, but at least we stole the show. 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 At least we stole the show.
Thank you guys for everything. We're gonna miss you.
Hi seniors! Thank you for the best years of our lives. You have made us into stronger dancers and better people. We wouldn't be who we are today without you guys and your crazy selves.
This team is a legend, and no one will ever forget a team like this. I know I'm gonna miss this crazy team a lot next year. And no matter what happens in life or where you guys are, just know that us chickens will be here for you guys. And you guys can always hit us up anytime, call or text.
We know you guys will be doing great things in the future, but make sure to visit. You will forever have an irreplaceable place in our hearts. Thank you for the best year ever.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys so much,
Thank you guys so much.
and I love you guys.
I love you guys.
I love you guys.